Rises in general are what Brazel calls referring, that is to say they are in some sense incomplete, they depend on something else, either because they're non-final, there's more material to come, or because, although they are final, nevertheless they refer to something before. Let's just look at an example of that. Supposing we got this construction involving a subordinate clause and a main clause. The usual thing in English is to have the subordinate clause first, and then the main clause. When I got home, I had my dinner. When I got home, I had my dinner. Now there the subordinate clause, the when clause, the adverbial clause of time at the beginning, that has a rise on its nucleus home because it's not final. It means there's more to come. The main clause, nucleus din, dinner, that is final, and so that gives you the fall to say we've come to the end. And that's a very typical sequence. Rise, something to come, fall, we've got that. Try that with me. When I got home, I had my dinner. When I got home, I had my dinner. Once again, when I got home, I had my dinner. Okay? That's a very typical, basic structure. A rise and then a fall. However, English syntax allows you to put the clauses in the opposite direction. We can have the main clause first, and then we have the subordinate clause. This has a slight difference of meaning. It highlights the time. Perhaps I usually have my dinner at work, but on this occasion, because I was able to go off earlier than usual, so I had my dinner when I got home. There we've got a subordinate, apparent main clause. At least it's not final. We mark it as not final by giving it a full rise. I had my dinner, tells us there's something to come still, when I got home. Although that's the subordinate clause, nevertheless it's the end of the utterance, and so again we mark it with a full. I had my dinner when I got home. You try that?
I had my dinner when I got home.
I had my dinner when I